Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I am going to give a clear introduction of command substitution in the Linux operating system. So what is the meaning of the command substitution? How it is going to be used? What are the various examples of this command substitution now we are going to see. Okay, so what is the command substitution actually? It is used to assign some value to a variable. So we have to substitute the value in that place of the variable. That is called as the substitution. Okay, we have to assign the output of a command to a variable. Okay, so for example, the command $command name, that means for example, if you give see the command substitution using a variable first we see, later we see the command substitution of the value. Okay, so if at all you substitute a value to the variable, how the substitution will work. If at all you substitute a command to a variable, how it will work, now we are going to see. So instead of that particular command, instead of that particular value where variable, the value of that variable will work. That is called the substitution. Okay, for example, see here, here it is given as 1 minute. So here I is equal to 10, it is given. Okay, echo the value of the I is equal to what? $I. So what is the dollar here? It is representing, sorry, what is the dollar here? It is representing the dollar representing the value of that particular variable. So the substitution of that value of the variable is given as the $I. So dollar is one symbol which is going to represent the substitution purpose. Okay, so this is going to represent the substitutional purpose. Now given the output is the value of the I equal to 10. So instead of directly 10, you are representing the value of the I as the dollar symbol. So this is the variable substitution. Okay, and now we see how the command will be substituted. Okay, see here, echo the command substitution using the date here. Echo today date is $date. So $date means the value of the date command will be represented here. Okay, so today is Wednesday, June 23rd time, and as well as this is the output of the date command. The output of the date command is representing at the value of the date command. So you can substitute the command, not only the value of the variable, you can substitute a command also at the dollar prompt. Okay, so this is one example. We see the another example. You can store command output to a shell variable, like output to a variable also here. So how it is now we are going to see. Let us see this. Here the variable is given is equal to $command name. So what is the variable here? The variable is equal to $clear. So whenever instead of the clear command, you can use directly the var name. Okay, because in the var the value of the clear command stores, the usage of the clear command stores. So instead of the clear directly, you can use the var. Okay. So like this, the substitution of the command, instead of the clear command, you can use the var command. Instead of the date directly, you can use $date that represents the value. Instead of the value of the variable, you can use directly $I, then it prints the value of that particular variable. You can use the substitution for multiple purposes. Okay, so now we see some more example substitution in the shell loops. In the shell loops also, you can use the substitutional command. For f in $ls/etc/conf do $f. Okay, so then it represents whatever it is there here, all the dollar files it represents. Whatever files are there in the etc in this particular directory, so all these files it will represent. $f means the particular files, whatever those are, all this can be represented. This is also one of the example of the substitution. Okay, and we see some more examples here. Now is equal to $date. In the now, the date is given. Okay, so echo $now, then the value of the date can be represented. Date is equal to date. Okay, echo date is $date. And one more thing, users is equal to who pipe WCL. Okay, WCL means how many number of the users lines. WC is a command which is going to represent the word count. So how many number of the lines are there in that particular who command. Okay, so all these will be represented here. Whenever we combine using the pipe operator, who and pipe by WCL, what is the output of the who that will be act as a input to the WC-L. So it takes the input as who command and counts the number of the lines. Based on the number of the lines of the who command, gives the number of the users in currently logged in. So it displays the currently logged in by using like this particular command. Okay, so this is the users. Who pipe WCL. Who pipe WCL gives the currently how many number of the users logged in. The output of the who will go to the input of the WC-L command in the users. So directly you can use $users without using the whole command. You can use $users. Okay, so this is the purpose of the substitution. You can substitute the variables. Okay, you can substitute the variables like this. Okay, and you can substitute the commands like this, and you can substitute in the loops also, and you can substitute the commands in this way. Okay, so this is somewhat easy way to using the substitute. For example, instead of using this kind of the complicated command, directly this will be transferred, this will be given assigned into one variable users. So directly you can use $users, then that command will get executed and the output will be given to you. Okay, so like this you can use this particular substitution for multiple number of the purposes in the Linux operating system. Not only the variable value assignment, the command substitution, and for loops, and for these are the other kind of the examples. All these things you can use this particular substitution in the Linux operating system. So finally we can conclude that substitution is the important one. Dollar symbol is the most important thing used in the substitution. So dollar plays a vital role for the substitution of anything. It may be variable, or it may be command, or it may be anything. You can implement using the dollar symbol. So it's very important. It plays a major role in the Linux operating system. Okay, by learning all commands, it is also important to learn about the substitution. Okay, so please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials for more videos of the Linux operating system, and as well as for other subjects also you can subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you for watching.